we're gonna be paying for our Nerf guns, and then we're gonna go home, and then I think I have to. I have to make mine, but Rain doesn't have to make his. And we're gonna go home and shoot. So let's get started.
And then it's gonna be a battle. We're gonna see who's gonna win.
Yeah. We have to. There's 3 targets in this house, and we have to see which one who can shoot the middle first.
Okay, let's go home and let's get it started. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I went home.
Yeah, we're going to put our guns together and then start shooting.
Let me
Okay.
put this back here.
Okay, Reagan.
I want to put this back here.
Okay.
Now.
All right, let's go pay.
You're gonna okay. Hey guys, today we're going to shoot Dad's Corvette. We're gonna shoot our dad's Corvette. That's right. Reagan just got it. You got it. And now let's get started. Let me first put my gun together. Okay, let me take this out. Put the bullets in here.
So Reagan, is yours ready? You ready to put all the bullets? And Reagan, are you ready to win tonight? You think you're gonna win?
Nope, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
Well, Reagan looks like he's ready. He's already got all bullets in his gun. Reagan, let the people know that I got this tonight. Let me put my gun
Let me
together.
put this together. I already got my bullets, and so let me put this together. Put this here. This is hard. Then I'll just try to put this in. Okay, guys, we'll see it in a minute. Booyah! Hey guys, today we're gonna be shooting at my dad's Corvette.
Make sure you, you got it, you got it. Owen got one. Owen got 2. You missed?
Yes!
Okay. Put your bullet back in. Okay, you need help?
It's not working. Okay, I need help.
You need help?
Yep.
All right. Let's see. Let's put more more bullets.
Wait, is there any more? Let me see.
We got more. We got so many bullets. Let me get some.
There's some more bullets. There's still bullets. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
I did it hard. Okay. I didn't even pull the trigger.
Oh. Oh. Reagan, it's your turn.
Okay, I'm not gonna play, guys. My brother is super mental. Guys, I'm not gonna play because Reagan is not giving back my Nerf gun.
Speak again.
I'm not gonna play because Reagan's not giving back my Nerf gun.
Okay.
Just give this to me.
Okay, Reagan, shoot.
Oh my God.
You missed, Owen.
Oh my gosh. Can you help me? I missed.
Okay, Reagan, Reagan, shoot. Okay, first time facing that way.
Can you take this out?
Huh?
Can you take this one out, the magazine?
Take the magazine out. Hmm?
Yeah.
So pretty, please.
Please.
Take out the magazine for me.
Take out the magazine for me.
So thank you guys for watching. I love you. See you next time.